You are now tuned into Sauce and Methods TV. I want to share a method from which can possibly make you $6,000 per month. It's simple, but you must have to spend some from your pocket. The idea is simple. Create website for businesses which don't have a website. But the twist is that you have to create a website without getting a project from them. Let me explain. 1. I use business directories to find businesses with no website. 2. I find the domain name for that business. 3. Create a website on my own hosting by installing a free template. 4. That template must be in the niche of your client. 5. Once the website is created, contact the client and send that website to them. These clients are somehow lazy or not tech savvy, so they don't focus on creating a website. But now you have created a full website for them. Cost $12. Domain hosting is my own, on which I can host multiple websites. Use the free theme and template. That's all. Your total spending will be less than $20, and you can sell that website to a client for $300 to $500 depending upon their business worth. It's really easy, but you need to stay consistent. Thanks. Remember to leave a thumbs up. This method is unsaturated and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning in to another video from Sauce and Methods TV. Reminder: this is completely legal. Now smash that subscribe for more money-making sneaky methods to earn money.